22 years old, from Dasmariñas, Cavite, Clyde Mia Flores. Hi, Clyde. Kumati ka muna.
Good afternoon, Will. Well, I just want to greet anyone out there who's watching and supporting me, especially to my parents, my family, and to my boss. Thank you for allowing me to absent for today.
Yung boss mo din, may nagtatrabaho ka na ba?
Yes, I'm working as an office secretary for a in the city government for a city councilor
Saan?
at the city government of Dasmariñas.
Cavite?
Yes.
Ah, mga taga Dasmariñas. And then, ikaw ay nag-graduate ng Foreign Service, is that right?
Yes,
Saan?
at the Lyceum of the Philippines University, Cavite po.
Okay, question, why did you join Miss Laxwhite?
I joined Lux White because joining pageant is really my passion, and I really want to showcase my talent, my beliefs, and I really want to have this platform someday that would help a lot of people.
Oh, very well said. Galing, ha? And also, your talent is kakaiba sa babae yan. Nag-beatbox ka.
Yes.
Bakit nahiligan mo mag-beatbox?
I just really love things that are extraordinary for a woman. I also do a lot of things like basketball,
Yeah,
longboarding, which is skateboarding.
Skateboarding.
Yes, and also basketball, painting, a lot of things.
So, mga ganon, hindi ka ba mahilig yung mga... Maano ka ba? Kumbaga, adventurer ka? Thrill seeker ka? Skydiving? Mga ganon?
Well, not much because I'm afraid of height.
Height?
But I'm willing to do things that I haven't.
What's your favorite
experienced.
sport?
My favorite sport is basketball because I used to be a basketball player when I was in college, a varsity in our college, which
Gusto
is the
mo
College
yung
of Arts.
Nagsushoot ka. Di ba?
Yes.
Kasi sa basketball, nagsushoot ka dalawa. Yung
Power
lalo na 3 points. O, di ba?
Yes.
Okay. Kung sakaling tanongin kita, kung isa kang halaman. Hindi, talong ka lang. Anong halaman ka? Sa tingin
I
mo?
would be sunflower because sunflower symbolizes energy and happiness. Just by looking at it, it would give you a lot of good vibes.
Ayaw mo ng ilang-ilang. Kasi mabango ilang-ilang sa umaga. Di ba may simoy ng hangin, ang bango ng ilang-ilang. Sampagita rin. Di ba?
It's just my favorite flower, sunflower.
Kasi alam mo ba yung halamang makahiya?
Yes. When you
Yun ang
touch
gusto ko. Oo. Kasi ang makahiya, pag hinawakan mo,
titiklop.
oo, nahihiya siya. Yun ang gusto
So
ko.
mahiyain, Will.
Sometimes. Okay. Here's the question, okay? Tubig, apoy, lupa, o hangin? Anong elemento ang masasabi mo kung tumutugma sa pagkatao mo? Ulitin ko, tubig, apoy, lupa, o hangin? Anong elemento ang masasabi mong tumutugma sa pagkatao mo? Tubig, apoy, lupa, o hangin?
Well, I would be a water.
Tubig ang gusto mo. Bakit?
Because water sustains almost everything. Water is the universal solvent. It sustains almost everything. And as a person, I think I'm like water.
Bakit? Anong klaseng tubig ka? Tubig dagat ka ba? Ilog net? O mineral water ka ba? Kasi iba-ibang tubig, ha?
Okay. To be specific, but I just want to be a water. Just a water. You know, that would
Ang bata, gusto mo lagi kang...
water the lives of many, you know, sustaining their lives and be...
Saka maraming nabubuhay sa tubig dahil siyempre mga
Yes.
isda. Okay.
Yes.
So you want to be a water. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you so
Clyde
much.
Mia Flor from Dasmariñas, Cavite. Thank you and good luck.
Hello mga kapuso! Ako po si Ipon. Minabati ko unang-una dyan mga kaipo natin, mga kaskwami ko dyan. Nagustuhan nyo ba ang video na to? Marami pa kaming inanda para sa inyo. Mag-subscribe lang sa Wowin YouTube channel. Tsaka, don't forget to hit the, the bell button para lagi kang updated. Yun lang!